Alright, what's going on YouTube? Just an update on the KBD bumper. So I'm not gonna throw it on the KBD bumper just cause it's way too heavy and it's more of a drag racing. Like if you have more power, that bumper would really be great, but my car doesn't make that much power to use the KBD bumper. So I'm gonna just keep it off, keep the stock one. Probably gonna end up buying another stock one because this one's just a little bit too dirty. So I'll buy a brand new clean bumper and paint it silver and just go from there. But for now, I just ordered something and it came in. Got me a high performance strut bar. This is what it came in. Now it's in the box, out of the box. It's in this bag, so we're gonna go ahead and install it. I'm not a mechanic, but here it goes. Alright guys, looks like the only thing you really need is a 12mm socket and you're good to go. Alright you guys, so I'm halfway there. So you do have to, this one is like shortened. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this side it's a little bit shorter, so I gotta shorten that side because it's not fitting right. You just gotta twist it. I'm charging my phone right now, so it's just like, it's how far I can go. It's in my laptop, but give me a second. Alright you guys, so this side is a little bit longer and I gotta twist it. And just to mention, while I was putting this on, this thing was hitting the battery cable or the battery terminal, and it was like sparking up. So you guys gotta be careful with that. Once I tighten this down, I'm see if I can adjust this maybe. So I had to adjust the battery terminal or the battery wiring to get it to fit right, because right now it's bumping against this thing right here. Alright guys, I'm almost done. Just torque these down to 29 foot-pounds of torque. My torque wrench right here, do not forget that. I looked it up online. That's what I think it is, so I hope it is 29 foot-pound of torque. So I just did this side, got to do that side. Also, this thing is hitting this little bracket right here. So I had to also adjust the battery wiring. See how they have them facing like the other direction, because when they were both touching the bar, sparks were flying. So that's very bad. So you guys are gonna have to adjust that as well. And sorry about my dirty engine bay, but promise you this is a good motor. Alright, so I just torqued these down. So as you can see, there is a little bit like a deformity, you know, it's not like quite like lined up in there, but I think that's supposed to happen because as you tighten it down, it's gonna bend to fit right and to be as snug as possible. This is okay to me. I feel like this is totally fine. But yeah, it looks good. Look at that part. It is rubbing right there, but honestly, it's gonna be holding the battery in place even better because this is just not all that tight. So I'm gonna close the hood. Hopefully the hood closes. You guys know I have a carbon fiber hood. Hopefully that closes, and see what's up. Alright you guys, the hood is all closed up, fitting very snug. I can't wait to see what it feels like. I'm gonna let you guys know after I go for a quick drive. Installation was kind of weird. It was just difficult. Not really difficult, just had to make some adjustments. And there wasn't any instructions, so I had to Google the torque specs. So yeah, the KBD bumper is not going to be thrown on this car. It's going to be sitting in my other car parts until I make some more power. So yeah, let me take it for a quick drive and see how it feels. Alright you guys, my final opinion on the Megan Racing Strut Brace. I love it. Feels so good. It goes so well with my aftermarket wheels. This just brings in a little bit more tightness in the front end. Where all the handling is happening at, all the grip is happening at. It feels amazing. I love it. Feels so good. It's a lot more tighter in the turns. In a straight line, you're not gonna feel it, but the battery is not gonna be, since it's up against the battery. It holds down the battery a lot tighter, but there is a little bit of vibration against the strut brace, but it's very little, very tiny. I mean, you can barely notice it. This car is already loud inside, so it's not really a big issue. Yeah, so that's it for today. No KBD bumper. Yeah, it's I'll keep you guys posted on the next mod I get. So yeah, Megan Racing strut brace, 5 for 5, 10 for 10, awesome. I recommend it to anyone and everyone. Thank you guys for watching.